friends, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new. I'm Sky and I'm so happy that you are here for today's cozy decorating video. So today we're going to be focusing on the breakfast nook, which is the space behind me. I have just spent a little bit of time in here getting it all decked out for Christmas, and I love the subtle yet cozy items that I've added to this space to kind of bring the season inside. We spent a lot of time in here, from eating meals to doing homework, playing games, and doing all of the family things. So I wanted to add a few touches of Christmas that kind of flowed really nicely from our living area, which I just recently shared on my channel, to the breakfast nook. So let's go ahead and jump in, and I'm just going to share some of my favorite pieces, some inspiration for decorating our hutch, and a cute and very simple little centerpiece for our table. Over in this little area of the breakfast nook, I am adding this wooden banner that says peace, and I thought this was the perfect little addition to this space because ultimately my goal this holiday season, and truly anytime, is just creating a peaceful environment for our family to gather. And then I have added just a very simple pine cone wreath I think I grabbed at Target last year. For this centerpiece, I want to do something just really simple, so I grabbed 3 of my pictures. These are all different, and I believe all of them were from our shop last year, and that's also where the peace banner was from. And then to fill them, I added some really pretty stems that I grabbed at Hobby Lobby this year. And I have the advent calendar from Target. They still have this on their website, so I will link it down below for y'all. But I thought that would be fun for the kids to be able to just change each day throughout the month of December. I had mentioned in my last video that we had a week-long bout with the flu, and so I did do a little bit of pre-decorating, and the hutch was one of the spaces that I just kind of worked on over the course of a couple of days. And so it is already finished, but I did want to just share what I decided to do in this space. So I love mixing woods with white dishes, and I threw in some of my favorite little holiday pieces to add pops of green to this space. So some little trees and just different textures we've got going on, which I feel like really warms this space up and just makes it feel extra cozy. Now we're gonna take a quick look into our half bath. This space is right off of the breakfast nook, and I've already added a few Christmas touches in here. I wanted to keep things simple, but also bring the season into this space. So I have this really pretty candle that is gold, and it's a Christmas tree, and you can open it up and it has like the best smelling scent. That one's from Target. I also added a cute little Christmas tree rug here. Thought that was a fun little touch. And then I have my 'Tis the Season sign from last year at Hearth and Hand, and then we've just got some little hand towels that are green just to add that pop of green into this space. So nothing overwhelming or crazy. I just wanted to kind of keep the continual theme throughout each room of our main living area. Sweet friend, I just want to leave a little encouraging message here for y'all, and thank you again for just spending some time with me today. I know there are so many pressures out there during the holiday season to buy, and get so many new things and do all of your decorating as early and as quick as possible. It is just so sad that that is what it has has come to. And I just wanted to let y'all know and just remind you that you do not have to give into those pressures. I hope that you feel encouraged watching my videos, especially this year, seeing as we don't have an interior decor shop and I'm not sharing as many new items with y'all each season. While that was so fun and truly I loved every second of it, I feel such a sense of peace right now using items that I already have and just repurposing them and putting them in our home and displaying them in a new way. And I hope that that gives you encouragement to do the same with the items that you might already have. Of course, it's okay to add new things here and there, and of course you've seen me share some of that on my channel as well. But I do hope that you feel just encouraged and inspired to try to use the things you might already have. I know with the way that the world is going and everything is so much more expensive these days, so many of us are living on tighter budgets than we ever have and are just really trying not to spend unnecessary money. And so I hope that you really just take that to heart, and I hope for myself as well to not give into the comparison trap and just seeing what everyone else is doing and feeling like we have to do it too, because ultimately the goal is creating a peaceful and safe haven for our family this season. Okay friends, that is a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you gained a little bit of holiday decorating inspiration. Make sure you stay tuned because we have lots of decorating yet to do. We've got our entryway, our dining room, our kitchen, and our master bedroom. So lots of goodness coming your way. I also have a cozy holiday gift guide that I'll be putting out shortly as well. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye friends.